Xiaomi has just launched the Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip in China. Speculations are rife that its sub-brand Redmi will announce the Redmi K80 series of smartphones. The Redmi K80 and K80 Pro models, three new devices. The K80 lineup have received approval from China's 3C certification platform. Tipster Digital Chat Station released a Weibo post to reveal key information about the alleged Redmi K80 Pro. The Redmi K80 Pro features include a flat OLED panel with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, with a single punch hole and thin bezels, and integrate an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The back panel of the phone will have a triple camera setup comprising a 50-megapixel primary camera with a large sensor and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens that will support 3x optical zoom. Redmi K80 Pro is also expected to pack a 6,500 mAh massive battery. It is also expected to support 120W fast charging. The Redmi K80 and K80 Pro, which could be rebranded as the Poco F7 and F7 Pro in markets outside of China in 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.